Hello, now I am unboxing, oh my gosh, XOXO by EXO. So it's the letter XOXO, and by the group EXO. This is Kiss version, and I think that this is the front despite these things being here. So, woo! Cool little disc. In case you want to see the picture behind it. It's the same as this picture. Doesn't matter. So this will be the oldest EXO album I have. Ah, okay. Hold on, I don't want the photo card to just jump out and be like, hi, I'm here. Okay, there. Ah, chaos. Alright. Oop. I didn't mean to do that. Now my cords are getting in the way. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to cut it out though. This is just me. This is who I am. Ooh. Yeah, maybe this is backwards. This might be supposed to be like a, you open it like a manga. But apparently I didn't feel like reading it like a manga. Here I am. Move on. I was gonna say, that looks like Schumann, but it said Luhan, so Luhan was here. Yes, that's what I was getting at. There we go. Okay. But it is Schumann's words. Kyungsu. And get Tao. I don't know if I'm saying his name right. I'm pretty sure it's Tao. I think I looked it up. We're gonna ignore Chris. Oh! His hat. Big one. He looks really cute. The pages are really thick. I think it's because, you know, if you want to take them out, you can, apparently. Oh my gosh, but I kind of like that they're thick because, you know, I don't know, just they won't rip easy or anything. And this will make it so they don't fall apart, although I don't know if you can hear it in the audio, but it squeaks an awful lot. Yay! Oh! He's got 2 different colored shoes. Oh. Is it going to tell me, are there going to be baby pictures of all of them? And is it going to tell me who's who? Does that mean it's Suho? Perhaps? Or maybe that's just a random child. I don't know what's happening. Ah, this is a really good picture. Oh. What's he peeking at? I keep thinking I want to miss pages. Jen. He looks done. He's like, I'm done. Jen. He looks precious. I didn't skip because it's 2 and then 3. Okay. I just keep thinking that I do. Jail. Chen just looks really unamused in all these photos. I think they were told to deadpan or something. I don't know. Oh, no, because he's not. Dog. Alright. It's a pretty big photo book. And then that SM thing. Da-da-da. Alright. I'm holding it upside down. Oh, I didn't even realize it said his name there. Oh! Oh, that's such a good photo card. Oh, he looks so good. Oh, I love it. I was so scared I was gonna get Chris. I was like, please don't give me Chris. Please don't give me Chris. Oh, yay, I'm so happy. That's a really good one, too. Like, he looks really good. Awesome. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye!